Afternoon, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Barrister K.A. Yusuf, and I am here on behalf and on the instructions of the family of late Mary Habila, who died on the 27th day of June 2026 in Ebonyi State. This press conference is necessary and inevitable in order to clear some gray areas, especially the areas that have propagated, substantiated, and false allegations about her person and her character. It is imperative to know that late Mary Habila was not a physiotherapist, rather she was a nurse and was employed in the services of Umahi University of Health Sciences at Ubru before she was seconded to his office, and she has spent up to 3 years working with him. And if it wasn't that we need her privacy to be covered, we have her appointment letter and payslip to show that she is a civil servant. However, it is regrettably, having followed all necessary procedures by the family as required by the Nigerian police in Ebonyi State, in order to retrieve the body to give her a befitting burial, and having stayed long in that process, unfortunately her body is yet to be released to the family, which is unfortunate. And from all indications, people want to use her as a pawn in their political maneuver or manipulation just to score a cheap political goal. And we are here to also ascertain to the fact that the minister has requested times without number for the autopsy of late Mary Habila, but the family have resolved and are determined and are still standing their grounds not to allow it because of some personal reasons and cultural reasons and traditional reasons too. It is at this point that we want to make clear to the world that Mary Habila has never been a runs girl or whatever, and she has so been in Abuja working with the minister before her eventful death. And this is the truth. And having not been given the body of Mary Habila in Ebonyi State, the family instructed me to write a petition against the Commissioner of Police of Ebonyi State to the Inspector General of Police of Ebonyi State for her body to be released. She died since on the 27th day of June 2026, and this is over 2 weeks now, or 3 weeks, that her body is yet to be released without any reasonable, without any reason canvassed by the Commissioner of the Police of Ebonyi State. It is as a result of this that on behalf of the family that you can see in the background the father, the mother, the uncle, and her colleague, who was the last person she spoke with, while at the private residence of the Honorable Minister is also here together with me. We came to the office of the Inspector General of Police to submit this petition, and we await the rapid response of the Office of the Commissioner of Police in this regard. And this is the little that I can say about this. Thank you very much.
I am Tonko Habila Wisdom, the father of late Mary Habila. Just as my barrister have just said, I don't have much to talk in this case. All that I want is the death of my daughter. We don't keep death of a little child up to so long, just like this. So that is why I'm here to say it once again and for all. I need the corpse of my daughter to take her for burial. That is what I'm standing on. That is why I said I don't want the autopsy. That's why I'm demanding the corpse of my daughter to go and bury her now.
So, how was your relationship with her before she died?
We were having a very cordial relationship, both in her working place, in my home, and everywhere.
So, sir, if you are demanding for the cost without autopsy, his family are they not pressing charges? Because there are allegations that probably are death will have been caused by some circumstances. So what is the position of the family on this matter?
The position of the family in this matter is, I've just have said, we are of the truth. We need the corpse of this daughter. We don't want that autopsy that they are talking about. Yes, sir.
Are you suspecting anybody?
I am not suspecting anybody because death can occur. Even as we are standing here, one can fall here now and die. So we are not suspecting anybody. It has happened. It has happened.
So my name is Anita Baki. I'm the colleague of late Mary Habila.
So what will you say about her death? Because we learned that you shared the same apartment.
Her death is so unfortunate and it's so sudden and it's so surprising that the thing is going viral everywhere. And I don't have much to say because I'm not in the state. I'm the rightful state of mind to speak more about her death because it's a very great loss to me. So her death has been a very great loss to me as being a close person to her. So that is just it. I don't have much to say about it.
There were reports that people were transported in a court. So how would you describe? How would you react to that?
We were not transported in the court. We are colleagues. I've been working for a very long time now. So we're not transported anywhere. We have been working under the minister. She's a nurse.
How did that come about?
She's a nurse. Why the news has been spreading around that she's a physiotherapist. I'm the physiotherapist here. She's a nurse. So we did not transport from anywhere to anywhere. We have been working under the minister for so long, over 3 years, and so I've been working also in the Federal University of Umahi, which is in Uburu. So that is all I can say for now. Sorry.
What's the name again?
My name is Anita Baki.
Anita what?
Anita Baki. Baki.
Ọlákùnbẹ́ náà ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọ̀túnba.